What if I tell you all your life you are taught pronouns in a wrong way? What every teachers do, they come in and says pronoun is a replacement for a noun. Then they go to the pronoun categories. These are just waste of your time. To learn pronouns, we have to understand what does pronouns actually do. It has three core functions. It replaces names, it avoids repetition, and it connects sentences. It has nothing to do with those 7-8 categories. They are nothing but a different wording system to solve these three core functions. In English and almost every other languages, the communication system tries to become more efficient. Linguistics call this the principle of linguistic economy. Languages avoid unnecessary repetition because repeating the same words again and again makes communication slow, heavy, and mentally tiring. For example, imagine a conversation like this. Sarah told Sarah's brother that Sarah would bring Sarah's notebook to Sarah's classroom because Sarah forgot Sarah's notebook yesterday. The sentence technically works, but it feels awkward and exhausting because the noun Sarah repeated too many times. To solve this problem, language uses pronouns. Sarah told her brother that Sarah would bring her notebook to her classroom because she forgot it yesterday. Now the sentence flows smoothly, sounds natural, and requires less effort to process. This proves that pronouns are not random grammar rules, they exist because languages evolved to reduce repetition, increase efficiency, and make communication faster and smoother. So, what exactly is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition and make sentences easier to understand. But there is something important you must know, that pronouns don't just come and replaces a noun randomly. Every pronoun must clearly match the noun they are referring to. Otherwise, it will create misunderstanding. If I say Sarah is tired, he went home, it is wrong because he doesn't represent Sarah. Sarah is a female and the pronoun must be she. So pronouns also carry meaning, not just replacement. Now that we understand what is pronouns, what they actually do, we can now move into personal pronouns that will be explained in detail with example and practice in the upcoming video. Thank you.